Hello everyone, I'm Koshki and I'll welcome you to the channel. This is a brand new channel because I've been trying to make this channel from a very long time. From a very long time, I mean 2020, where everyone was doing this. But I did not have the courage to come up here and shoot these kind of videos. But now I've finally gathered it and now I'll be doing this thing because I love doing it. I have vlogs in my phone and I have everything. It's just that I didn't have the courage or I didn't have that, छोड़ो इस आलस को और करते हैं वाली feeling in me. And that is why we have been delaying it for so long. So yes, let's start it. Let me tell you a little bit what I'll be doing. First thing in my mind is taking a series called Unpopular Opinions that I'll be giving the name for the series because some things are not talked in the society. So I just want to take some topics and talk about it, how society feels, how my parents think about it. I'll just take their opinions also, my friends' parents also. So yes, this is a series in my mind. Second thing, I would like to do a shopping haul kind of thing because I shop a lot. So yes, that is my second thing. Third thing is vlogs or stories or you know the things which I do with my friends. So the bakchori part in my life. That will be the third part, and whatever the part will come, I don't know. So yes, and let me give you a little bit introduction about myself. आपको ज़्यादा जानना होगा तो मैं आपको बाद में बताती रहूंगी पर अभी थोड़ा बता देती हूँ. I'm from Jaipur and I've been living in a hostel from last 9 years basically. Yeah. And now I'm here in Kashi, Banaras, Varanasi, whatever you say, for my dissertation, master's dissertation program. It's my last semester. And I don't know what I'll be doing in my life after this. Yes, but I'll be preparing for something like CSI net or something like that because मुझे जाना था बाहर. For some reasons, I've postponed that plan for now. Let's see if the plan resumes or not. Yes, let's start this channel. Thank you. And I've been in very much excitement to say this. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Share, like, comment, whatever you want to do.